For decades, stealth aircraft ruled the skies. Invisible, unstoppable, today that invisibility may be over. American researchers have developed a radar system so advanced it can detect aircraft designed to be invisible, even through storms, clouds, and electronic jamming. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in detection technology born from the strange and powerful world of quantum physics. Conventional radar works by sending radio waves and waiting for reflections. Stealth aircraft are shaped and coated with special materials specifically to absorb and scatter those waves away from the receiver, leaving the radar completely blind. It's like trying to see a black object in a dark room using a flashlight. The light just doesn't bounce back. This principle of deflection and absorption has been the cornerstone of military air dominance for generations. But what if you didn't need a reflection to see the target? Quantum radar works differently, and it's a mind-bending concept. It uses entangled photons, tiny particles of light that are mysteriously linked. Imagine you have two of these photons. If you change the property of one, the other one instantly changes too, no matter how far apart they are. Scientists send one of these entangled photons out toward the sky, while its twin stays behind in a sensitive detector. When the traveling photon interacts with any object in its path, even a stealth-coated surface that doesn't reflect radio waves, that interaction is instantly mirrored in the photon kept at the base. This tiny change in the second photon reveals the target's presence. It's not looking for a reflection, it's looking for a disturbance. This is why quantum radar is a game changer. Unlike radio waves, which can be scattered by rain, blocked by clouds, or confused by electronic jamming, the link between entangled photons is far more robust. The quantum correlation isn't fooled by weather or electronic noise. Heavy storms, thick fog, sophisticated jamming techniques, none of it hides the target, because the system doesn't rely on a clear signal path back and forth. It only needs the traveling photon to touch something. And the capabilities are already staggering. Early tests show detection ranges exceeding 200 kilometers. But it doesn't just tell you something is there. The system is so precise it can reveal a target's speed, its direction, and even its basic shape. This level of detail makes it nearly impossible for an aircraft to hide its identity or intent. Beyond the battlefield, this technology could revolutionize aviation safety. Imagine a world where no commercial airplane can simply disappear in bad weather or over a vast ocean. We could gain total airspace awareness, tracking everything from small consumer drones and hypersonic missiles to dangerous pieces of space debris, preventing collisions before they happen. This isn't a distant theoretical dream. The Pentagon is reportedly fast-tracking the development and deployment of quantum radar systems. The foundational research, published in top-tier journals like Physical Review Letters, signals a monumental shift from abstract physics theory to tangible, battlefield reality. Experts suggest we could see operational systems as early as 2028. So, this brings us to the big question. Is the era of stealth over? If quantum radar continues to mature at this pace, the very concept of an invisible aircraft, which has defined air superiority for half a century, may soon become a relic of the past. The strategic advantage of hiding in plain sight could vanish almost overnight. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the future and it's arriving fast. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve on the tech that's changing our world.